Hello friend, welcome to Holistic Herbalist and Ayurveda Mentor. I am Dr. Vikram Aditya Tomar, an Ayurveda doctor from India. I got this query on our website www.holistic-herbalist.net. The query is, what is the difference between painkiller drugs or NSAIDs and Ayurvedic anti-inflammatory herbs? We have a good range of Ayurvedic herbal products, and there are others also that are not listed here. And in this video, I am going to tell you about Ayurvedic anti-inflammatory herbs and how they are different with painkiller drugs. NSAIDs or medical painkiller drugs are very common. Some of them can be prescribed by medical doctors, and some of them you can buy on the medical stores without prescription. The common examples are aspirin, paracetamol, ibuprofen, diclofenac, mefenamic acid, indomethacin. Different types of NSAIDs or painkillers are available in the market, like salicylates, para-aminophenol, phenylacetic acid, oxycams, and so on. There are two main types of anti-inflammatory drugs in medicine. The first category is steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like cortisone or hydrocortisone. The second category, NSAIDs, that we are talking about. What does it mean by the word anti-inflammatory? Inflammation has 5 components, and it can be initiated by microbial infection or even without them. The 5 components are pain, redness, heat or increased temperature, swelling, and partial or full loss of function. The 5 cardinal signs of inflammation are depicted in this picture. You see heat, redness, swelling, pain, and loss of function, thanks to nature refuge and immunology. What does NSAIDs do in our body? They are effective in suppressing symptoms of inflammation, and these drugs don't modify or neutralize the cause of inflammation. It is very important to understand. These are very good drugs if you have some acute pain, like pain of recent origin. They can suppress it for few hours, but definitely being medical drugs, they are having plenty of side effects upon regular use or mid-term to long-term use. Essentially, NSAIDs painkillers are suppressing symptoms of inflammation. Now, you consider Ayurvedic herbs with anti-inflammatory activity. These are natural and they help to relieve the symptoms of inflammation in a gradual manner. They don't have that much strong effect of suppressing the symptoms of inflammation. Consider this important point. Why could Ayurvedic herbs be a safe alternative for NSAIDs or medical painkiller drugs in chronic health issues? Ayurvedic herbs work on 2 fronts. They help the whole body, they help in general, like relieving the symptoms of inflammation. This part of the activity is just like NSAIDs or medical painkiller drugs. Actually, this is less, very insignificant compared to the NSAIDs. Then, Ayurvedic herbs could be very specific for a particular organ or organ systems. Consider liver. If there is inflammation in liver, then if you take Ayurvedic herbs that are very specific for improving the liver health, that are very good as reducing the symptoms of inflammation, and they also strengthen the healthy functioning of the liver. Consider joints health. There are herbs like boswellia, turmeric, lucia that are very specific for the joints health. They are having anti-inflammatory property that is more targeted for the joints health. So this kind of specificity or working for the specific organs is absent in NSAIDs. And during this process, Ayurvedic herbs helps to cleanse and strengthen the organ without having any side effect for the whole body. These are some important points about Ayurvedic herbs with natural anti-inflammatory activity. They are slightly less effective in relieving chronic pain or inflammation than NSAIDs. I am saying chronic pain or chronic health issues here. They are slightly less effective in chronic health issues. Then if you have some acute pain, like you got some injury or some other acute pain, then Ayurvedic herbs are substantially poor choice. You should not use them for acute pain. Third, and it is a very good point, that if you take Ayurvedic herbs for a long period of time, you don't have side effects or they are just minimal side effects. Ayurvedic herbs very well tolerated in the long run. That's why I started with first one, that Ayurvedic herbs are the better choice for their natural anti-inflammatory activity in chronic pain or chronic health issues. Yes, we do have a good range of Ayurvedic herbs for different organs and different purpose, and overall they have a positive impact on general health and on specific organs. Because of the specific health benefits of some herbs for a particular organ, there can be different types of anti-inflammatory herbs for different organs. We make available at Holistic Herbalist a good range of Ayurvedic products with natural anti-inflammatory activity. You have for liver, you have for skin, for colon health, for joints, and this is not a exhaustive list. You can check our website for this purpose. One very good point of these Ayurvedic herbs with natural anti-inflammatory activity is that they are synergistic with other anti-inflammatory herbs or even medical drugs. And yes, you find their synergistic benefits with other rejuvenative herbs and detoxifying herbs. Like if you have joints problem, you can take Joyful Mind, that is helpful for brain and nerve health, and you can also take Ayurveda for body detox and colon cleanse. Together these are working for joints health. Healthy joints is the specific herb, and Joyful Mind and Ayurveda, it is providing the holistic benefit on all over the body. I suggest you to give it a try and use Ayurvedic herbs for general or specific anti-inflammatory activity in your body. These are definitely the safer options in chronic conditions, and there are less or no side effects, and you also get great additional health benefits. And these herbs can work in synergy with other herbs or even medical drugs. Ayurvedic herbs do cleanse the system. They help to strengthen and rejuvenate the organs. Finally, thanks for your time, and we have a great range of Ayurvedic herbs. You can check them at our website www.holistic-herbalist.net with my best regards. Thank you and have great health and wonderful life.